Hey guys, so with every wedding collection that I have, I gift my clients an online gallery so that way they can view their images online, they can share them with friends and family, all that good stuff. So I thought that it would be a good idea to sort of walk you through the online gallery and show you how to make a favorites list. Now, the favorites lists are very helpful for several reasons. The main thing that I use them for, or I have my clients use them for, is to make a list of all the images they love for their wedding album. So that way they can go through the hundreds of images that they have, narrow them down to the select amount that they need for the album, and it just makes it a lot easier for me than designing their album and knowing which ones they want in. Another good thing that a favorites list is used for is narrowing down the images they love for print. So if they know they want to order, a bunch of prints, or if they have a wall collage that they want to make and they want to narrow it down to their best 10 images or whatever. So they can go ahead and make a favorites list so that way, again, it's pulling out the images they love in hundreds and hundreds of images that they're going through. And this is also something that friends and family members can do also. So they'll be able to make their own favorites lists, order their own prints from the gallery, all that fun stuff. So here is a sample gallery right here, and it'll be sent via link in your email. And then you'll click on the link, open it up, and this is what it looks like. So as you scroll down, you will see all of the images. So from here, you can say, I love this picture and I want it to go in my favorites list. I can either click on the image, press favorite, and then you put your email address in. So that way, remember what email you use also, because it's essentially your login. So you can access your favorites list whenever you want. So there. And then it has the red heart, so I know that it's favorited. So I can browse through the gallery this way, add another one to my favorites list, then you see that it's added. Or I can scroll through and just hover over an image and then that'll pop up. And then once you click it, you'll see the heart over here. So that way, when you're scrolling through your list and you see you want to know what images you have in your favorites list without actually opening the list, you can just see them right here. They'll be denoted with a heart. So in order to get to that list, you come over to the white, in the white bar, the heart over here, and then there's your list. So all of your images are in there. And if you are narrowing down for, say, your wedding album, and you're ordering an album that has a photo cover, if you know what image you want on the cover, all you have to do is go to your favorites list, click add note, and then from there you just type in cover photo, save, and done. So that way, and you'll see you have a note on there. So that way, whenever I'm going to look through your list and see all the images that you have for your album, I will know right off the bat which image you want for your cover, because it's right there. As far as prints go, if you're making a favorites list for prints, you can easily use the add note feature and note it at whatever size that you want. So that way, like say you know you want 3 8x10s, you can go ahead and just make the note on any of the images that you want. So that way you already have them narrowed down. It just helps things a little bit, make it a little bit easier. And in order to get back to your gallery, you just go back and go back one more time. And there you are. So that is how you make a favorites list, what you can use them for. Super easy. Yeah, I think that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions about this, of course, you can shoot me an email. Let me know.